What inspired you to get a lift kit for your van? Or if you want a lift kit for your van, why do you want one? Starting a new topic here on my channel, budget sportsmobling. If you're a budget sportsmobiler or you want to get into it, welcome to my channel. This is my 99 Econoline V10 extended on a Camberg style bent I-beam lift kit. This is what inspired me to get my van lifted. About 10 years ago, I saw a Quigley lifted Econoline and I looked it up and found this video, Motor Week. I thought it looked awesome, so I started researching lifted vans. So Sportmobile and Quigley go hand in hand. Sportsmobile go to Quigley to get the lifted 4x4 conversion. It's 20 to 30 grand. I believe it's 30 grand now for the 4x4 conversion. Of course, I couldn't afford that. So then I started looking up lift kits for vans. And here's my first van build from 10 years ago. See, this video is 9 years old. So my first van build, the van itself was $2,000. And I put, at the time, this action van lift that I put on it was $2,800 installed. I think the prices went up a little bit in the last 9 years. But this was my first van build. I didn't want to get rid of it, but it was falling apart. I started off with a really, junky base. As much as I love this van, I started off with a kind of a junky van. So the second time around, I knew what I wanted. Extended. I wanted the barn doors. I didn't get the barn doors, but I wanted extended. And the main priority I wanted was a V10 with low 100,000 miles on it. I bought this in 2020 for $6,800. And at the time it had 104,000 miles. I'm up to 130 now. And this is a really nice van, way nicer than my last one. And this is not a beauty queen. You see the trail damage here. So I want bigger tires on this van. It's 245s right now. I don't know if I'm gonna go 265 or 285. I kind of want to go 265 because it's right in the middle of 245 and 285. And then when I get this thing re-geared to 410s, so stock 373 gears. So if I go 265, my gearing will be a 391, I believe. If I go 285, my gearing will be a 380. So regardless, if I go 410 and bigger tires, I'm going to get more acceleration than stock. Of course, I could just go 410 and stay stock and have all kinds of acceleration, but I do want the wider tire for off-roading. The interior is still really nice. No cracks on the dashboard. I just wanted a nice van. Because like I said, my last van was pretty junky. So we got 130,000 miles now. AC works, front and rear AC. My last van build, the AC didn't work. The windows didn't roll down. The sliding door didn't lock, so I had to chain it onto the seat. The back door didn't open. Everything was broken on my last van. But what happened with my last van is I was sentimental. I took my dogs on so many trips on it. I couldn't let go of it because of all the sentimental value I had with it, but it was time to let go. So when I did this second van build, I wanted to start off with a much nicer van. My last van was a 5.0, carryover 5.0 from the 80s. It was really slow, so I wanted to do the second build right. V10, the most powerful engine available for these Econolines. That's the car guy in me. Nothing wrong with the 5.4 or the 4.6. These modular motors are known to go 300,000+ miles if you take care of them. So yeah, that's my story on my budget sportsmobile van. It's almost done. I'm almost done with it. I just need the bigger tires, rear locker, re-gear, and I want to go on some more off-roading trips. There's a trail damage right there, and it doesn't bother me one bit. So what's your guys' story? Did Sports Mobile inspire you? What inspired you to get a lifted van or to want a lift kit for your van? Welcome new subscribers. If you're a van fanatic, this is the channel to be at. Lots of cool people in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I look forward to seeing new faces here in the comments. I know this is the most popular content on my channel. You're gonna get a lot of it in the next couple of months. My goal is to have the rear locker, bigger tires, and re-gear the beginning of next year. Take this thing off-roading and give you guys an idea of what you could do with a lifted two-wheel drive van. And hopefully you guys get out there, go out on an adventure, and maybe join me and my friends one day. We started this whole enthusiast van meet, and I'll put some videos here at the end of this one for you guys to check out if you're new here. So have a great one, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great weekend.